In this video, I'll show you how to buy Bitcoin on the Revolut app and send it to another wallet. First, you need to make sure you have the most up-to-date version of the Revolut app on your device. Open the Play Store or App Store, search for Revolut, and if an update is available, tap Update. If your app is already up to date, simply tap Open to launch it. Once the app is open, log into your account with your credentials to access your dashboard. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see the crypto icon. Tap on it to open the cryptocurrency section. You'll notice two tabs, Portfolio and Discover. Tap on Discover to see all available cryptocurrencies. If you don't see Bitcoin immediately, use the search bar at the top to find it. Once you locate Bitcoin, tap on it to open its dedicated page. From here, tap the Buy button. If this is your first time purchasing crypto on Revolut, the app will prompt you to provide some additional information. This process may vary depending on your location, but it usually only takes a few minutes. Fill in the required details accurately. Next, you will see two agreements, the investment statement and the terms and conditions. Read through them carefully, then tap Accept to continue. After completing the verification steps, you will be taken back to the Bitcoin page. Enter the amount you want to buy. You can choose any amount you prefer, and the app will show you how much Bitcoin you will receive for that amount. Once you've entered your desired purchase amount, tap Review Order. The app will display a summary of your transaction, including fees and the final Bitcoin amount. If everything looks correct, tap Confirm to complete your purchase. Your Bitcoin will now appear in your Revolut account. Once you have Bitcoin in your account, you can easily send it to another wallet. To do this, tap on the Crypto tab again and select the cryptocurrency you want to send. Tap on Send and you will see two options. The first option allows you to send crypto to a friend within Revolut, and the second option allows you to send it to an external wallet. Choose the wallet option to send to another address. Next, you can either enter the wallet address manually or scan the QR code provided by the wallet. You will also need to give the wallet a name for easy identification. After entering all the necessary information, tap Continue to proceed with the transfer. The app will confirm the details before sending, so make sure everything is accurate. Once confirmed, your Bitcoin will be transferred to the external wallet safely and securely. This process allows you to not only buy Bitcoin on Revolut, but also move it to any external wallet of your choice. By following these steps, you can manage your cryptocurrency with flexibility and keep your funds in the wallet you prefer.